Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 17th, 2025, we're taking a comprehensive look at Intel, ticker symbol Intel. We'll be combining news analysis with detailed chart examination to help you understand where Intel stock might be headed. Recent headlines suggest potential layoffs are looming, impacting Intel Foundry and Intel China, according to TipRanks. This news could be weighing on investor sentiment. At the same time, there's optimism around INTC's progress with Xeon 6 in AI and high-performance computing, according to Yahoo Finance, providing a potential counterbalance to that negative sentiment. CEO Lip-Bu Tan's recent activity is also creating some buzz, with some share sales generating chatter, according to MarketWatch. Now, let's look at the daily chart. We can see that Intel has experienced significant volatility over the past year. The stock has generally trended downward and is currently trading at a low near $20. Let's narrow our focus to the more recent price action since the beginning of 2025. Looking at the daily chart, we see a downtrend since January 2025. There's a significant drop around August 2024, followed by a period of consolidation. The stock then saw a bump upward around late February 2025, but quickly reverted back down in March. This could suggest strong resistance around the $27 level. The support level seems to be holding near $18, seen at the lows around the start of the year and again around April. Now, let's examine the 1-hour chart to gain a shorter-term perspective and check on potential support and resistance. Looking back a week, this time frame shows range-bound trading with some volatility spikes. Let's narrow the time frame to June 12th so we can look more closely at recent data. We can see the price closed at $20.74 on the 16th. Finally, let's dive into the 15-minute chart to examine today's trading activity. It looks like Intel has been trading relatively flat today, with a close of $20.74. There might be some minor resistance around $20.75, but generally, the action looks rather flat and consolidatory. News regarding layoffs could introduce some downside pressure in the short term. We're also seeing some price action sensitivity to mentions of AI and competition, indicating those are important issues for investors. Key levels to watch include the $18 support and $27 resistance on the daily chart, as these represent significant potential turning points. Right now, given the uncertainty and mixed news, I'd say there is a slightly increased likelihood for more sideways or downward movement in the coming weeks if the layoff news solidifies. However, any breakthroughs in the AI space, or Intel gaining market share, could quickly change that narrative.